My name is James Joseph, and I'm in the Digital Media and IT program here at NAIT.
My name's Asma Iqbal, and I'm in the Bachelor of Business Administration program with a focus in HR.
I joined the Campus Ambassador program to make an impact on the NAIT community, to get involved on campus. I wanted to gain more than just being a student.
As a campus ambassador, we lead tours, which is a big component of our job, but not the only component. We help support events like program previews, open house, new student orientation is also a really big one.
The application process for becoming a campus ambassador is fairly simple. All you got to do is fill in the application and then just wait to be called in for an interview.
The types of students that make up the Campus Ambassador team really come from all sorts of programs. The Campus Ambassador program, it's for people who give it something. So if you give that program your all, you're going to get a whole bunch of things right back.
Being a campus ambassador has improved my communication and leadership skills. It has basically made me think a little bit outside the box.
There's opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. There's opportunities to make friends, and friends that last well beyond the boundaries of school.
Being a campus ambassador, to me, means being a representative of NAIT. I get to welcome students and make them feel that NAIT is the place that they belong.
You're a friend to prospective students who come into NAIT who are confused as to what career path to choose. You're a friend to existing students when they're unsure of where to go or what place that they can get all these services from. And you're a friend to the community, whoever's looking to get involved at NAIT, to make an impact at NAIT. So yeah, I'd call us a friend.
Whether or not it's the same students, or whether it's new students, whether they require help, campus ambassadors are always there.